Do you want to keep your ramps up for tomorrow? Should we put a sign on it that says save?
Early childhood teachers look for every opportunity to bring print into the classroom so that children are familiar with print. Here, Ms. Bromwich recognizes a teachable moment and suggests that a child make a save sign so that his classmates know not to take his ramps down at the end of the activity period.
Can you try spell save?
Sure, I'll try. At 4 years old, it's hard to learn how to spell. I'll teach you, shall I? It has this S.
Okay.
Okay, we do S. Save. I'll put save for. And how do you spell your name? Do you know how to spell your name? O. What's next? W. E. N. So it's
Experiences, seeing teachers model functional use of writing, help children see the many ways writing is used in daily life.
I'm just doing that.
That's a capital E.
The teacher knows just how much this child can do on his own and gives him just the right amount of assistance in writing the words for his sign. Early writing experiences such as these are a vital part of high-quality early childhood programs.